Hi everyone, my name is Burke Nelson. I'm the International Account Manager here at Student Insurance. Today I'm going to go over how you can utilize our website and how you can use your new international health insurance. So the first thing you need to do is come to our website. It's studentinsuranceusa.com. This is the homepage of our website. One thing to note at the very top is this is the phone number to our office. So if you ever have to give us a call and you can't remember our phone number, just come to our website and it's right up here. Now all of you are international students, so you'll scroll down just a little bit and then you'll select international students right over here. This will take you to the international student page where you will scroll down just a little bit until you see the logos to these colleges. All of you attend California Lutheran University, so that's the logo you'll click on. The first thing to note once you get to the Cal Lutheran page of our website is you do not need to enroll in the insurance here. You enroll in the insurance through the university, and you pay all money for the insurance to the university through your tuition. So there's no money that you have to pay directly to student insurance, and you do not have to enroll now on this website. If you scroll down a little bit, there are a couple of important documents. The first one is the plan summary. So if we open that up, this gives you a brief overview of what the insurance covers. It doesn't tell you every single thing that the insurance covers, and it doesn't tell you every single thing that the insurance doesn't cover. But it gives you a good idea of what you can use the insurance for. So for example, if you go to an outpatient physician's visit, this is a doctor's office where you would make an appointment to go see them, and you would see them on a relatively regular basis. An in-network outpatient physician's visit is covered at 100% with no copay. An urgent care visit in-network is covered at 100% with a $20 copay. An urgent care is a facility where you would go, you don't have to make an appointment, you can just show up and they'll see you within a couple of hours. Now, in-network means that the doctor's office or medical facility has a contract with the insurance company, and that means that it costs you less to go see them. So as you can see side by side, whereas you wouldn't pay anything to go see an outpatient physician who's in network with the insurance, now you're paying more if you go to an out-of-network physician or a physician who doesn't have a contract with the insurance company. If you ever have questions and need to call our office, another phone number to our office is right up here. So again, if you forget what our phone number is, then you can just come to our website and all of that information is right there for you. My email address is also listed right here. You can send me an email if you don't feel comfortable giving me a call, and I can answer any questions or concerns that you have via email. Now if we go back to the website, the second important document is the download ID card instructions. So if we open that up, this goes through every single instruction on how to download and print your insurance ID card. So it's really important that you follow all of these directions. I will go over them in just a moment, but if you forget how to do it, then you can refer back to this document, which is on our website. Alright, now back on our website, there are two helpful links down here: Find a Doctor and Download ID Card. So let's first download our ID cards. The first thing you need to do when you get to this website is register an account. You are brand new to this website, so you don't have an account yet. What you'll do is you'll click Register Now. You will accept the terms and conditions. And then you get to this page where you need to enter your information. The first thing you need to do is enter your member ID. Make sure that even if you have a social security number, that you do not use that. We will register you with a member ID, not your social security. So in this box, the way that your member ID is set up is with your California Lutheran student ID. But there are two changes. The first one is we add 2 zeros to the beginning, and then the second one is that we add a -01 to the end. So for example, if my California Lutheran student ID is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then I will need to make sure to add 2 zeros to the beginning and a -01 to the end. The next item is your zip code. Now this is not the zip code of where you live in your home country. This is the zip code of where you live in the United States. So if I enter my zip code of where I live in the United States, then I'll come down here and I'll enter my date of birth. In the United States, we write dates of birth a little bit differently than the rest of the world. Most of the world writes day and then month and then year, but in the United States we switch the day and the month. So it goes month and then day and then year. You will need to enter it in the same format that we do in the United States, which also includes entering it with a 2-digit month, a 2-digit day, and then a 4-digit year. So for example, my birthday is May 8th, 1996, so I would enter 05081996. If you do forget that format, it's also listed down here, just below the date of birth. After this page, it'll take you to another page where you can enter any username for your account. You will create a password for your account, and then it will ask you to answer a couple of questions just in the event you forget your password and cannot log in. Alright, now that you've logged into your ID card account and you printed it off so that you have a copy of it wherever you go, now we can click Find a Doctor. This link will take us to the First Health Network website. So all of you have First Health PPO insurance. So the first circle that you'll select is First Health Network, and then you'll select Start Now. If you forget that you have First Health insurance, it is printed on your ID card. So as long as you have your ID card, then you'll always know what insurance you have. Now there are several different options of types of providers you can go see. One of them is a physician. So this would be a doctor's office where you would make an appointment to go see. You would see them on a relatively regular basis, and they would get to know you and your medical history. A hospital would be someplace you would go in the event of an emergency. So if you break your arm really badly or you fall down and you hit your head, then you would go to the hospital. In urgent care is a facility where you would go and you don't have to make an appointment. So if you wake up and you're just simply not feeling very well, then you can go to an urgent care and they can see you in just a couple of hours. Then the last is a lab and radiology facility. This is where you would go to have imaging tests done, like an MRI or a CT scan. different imaging and laboratory things like that. So let's search for urgent care facilities. So you'll select that circle, and then you'll enter the zip code of where you live. So let's enter the zip code of the school, which is 91360. The website defaults to within 10 miles of whatever zip code that you enter. So it gives you a good searching radius of where you live. Then you'll select Search Now. And it shows that there are 18 urgent care facilities within 10 miles of campus. So there are quite a few different places where you can go. You're always welcome to call an urgent care facility to ask them if they're open or make sure that they take First Health insurance. But again, this is not a facility where you would make an appointment to go see them. You would show up and fill out their paperwork, and they would see you within a couple of hours. Another type of doctor's office where you can go see is a regular physician. So if I select this circle here, another box pops up down here. You definitely want to check the box to make sure that the doctors you're searching are accepting new patients. Again, you'll enter your zip code, and then it defaults to within 10 miles of where you live. Click Search Now. Now, it came up with 1,157 matches within 10 miles of where campus is. These are all the types of, every single type of doctor within 10 miles. So we need to refine those results to the doctors you can go see. The type of doctor you want to go see for a regular checkup visit would be a primary care physician. And that's the first box checked here. You can also enter a specialty type. So for example, if you need to go see a gynecologist, then you can select this here and enter gynecology. Once you've entered any specialty type you so choose, then you can select Refine Search. And now the list has gone down to 317 matches. So this brings up internal medicine doctors who you can go see for a regular checkup visit, and family medicine doctors as well. So all of these doctors are doctors who are in network with the insurance, and you can call them to set up an appointment. If you ever have any questions at all, you can give our office a call. Again, if you scroll up to the top of our website, our phone number is right here. My email address is also on the plan summary. So if you open this up, my email address is right there. You can copy and paste that into an email and send me an email with any questions you have. Our office is open Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. So you can call anytime during those time periods, and we'll be able to answer your questions. Something to note is that if you ever get a bill in the mail from a medical provider, it's really important that you get a hold of me right away. That is what I'm here for. I'm here to answer any questions you have and help you with any concerns that you have as well. So if you get a bill in the mail, just send me an email right away. Make sure to include a copy of the bill, as well as your name and student ID, so that I can verify who I'm emailing. And then I can get a hold of the medical provider and find out what's going on with that bill. So thank you for your time. Again, my name is Burke. If you have any questions, please feel free to give our office a call or send me an email. Take care.